Okay, hi students. The continue part, linear inequality 5.1 exercise. Here 17 to 20 questions. So we have to find first x value, and then we have to show that graph number line. ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, look at first questions, watch it students. First question is 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. Okay na? So here 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1, 3x minus 2x less than 1 plus 2. Okay na? Send constant that side. 3x minus 2 is x is less than 3. The x value is x is less than 3. Okay na? Then we have to draw the number line. Okay na students? Now look at, this is plus infinity, this is minus infinity. Okay na? This is 0. Okay na? 1 2 and 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, up to so on. Okay na? Up to infinity, minus infinity. So look at students, here x is less than 3 ಐತಿ, ಅಂದರೆ x ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಓಪನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಸಾರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಓಪನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟು. ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಈ ರೀತಿನೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಾರ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, 18 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. Okay na? So get 5x minus 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. 5x minus 3x, take it to 3x in left hand side, is greater than minus 5 plus 3. 5x and 2x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Okay na? So x is plus x value students, x is greater than equal to minus 1. Okay na? So number line, take it number line, this is plus infinity, this is minus infinity. This is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus infinity. Okay na? So ನಮಗೆ x is greater than or equal to minus 1 ಇದೆ, minus 1 ಏನಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ x is greater than or equal to ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ the minus 1 is consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಾರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ thick line, this is your answer. ಓಕೆನಾ? then next 19th question students. ಏನು 19th questions? 3 into 3 of 1 minus x less than 2 of x plus 4. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ 3 of 1 minus x less than 2 of x plus 4. So multiply 3 minus 3x less than 2x plus 8, 2x plus 8. Okay na? So minus 3x minus 2x less than 8 minus 3. This is minus 5x less than 5. Divided by minus 5 on both sides. X is greater than minus 1. X is greater than minus 1 students. Answer is, so number line note is, look at your number line, plus infinity, this is minus infinity, this is your minus 1, 0, 2, sorry 1, 2, 3 and 4, so on. Okay na? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, x is greater than minus 1 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ ನಾ? this open bracket students, x is greater than ಇದು, ಇದನ್ನು thick line ನೋಡ್ರಿ. This is your required answer. Okay na? Then next last question students in number line ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20th ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Get x by 2 is greater than equal to, cross multiply 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 3 into 7x minus 3 divided by 15. ಓಕೆನಾ. x by 2 greater than or equal to 5 into 5 25 x minus 10 minus 21 x minus into plus plus divided by 15. ಓಕೆನಾ. x by 2 is greater than equal to 25x ಅಂದರೆ 4x minus 1 divided by 15. Cross multiply 15x is greater than or equal to 2 into ಅಂದರೆ 8x minus 2. 15x minus 8x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Here 7x is greater than or equal to minus 2. X is greater than or equal to, students, minus 2 divided by 7. So minus 2 divided by 7 is value is x is greater than or equal to 0.2 minus 0.2. Okay na. So look at, students, here minus infinity to plus infinity to minus infinity. This is minus 1, this is 0, this is 1 2 3 4. Okay na. This is minus 2. The minus greater than equal to minus 2 L ಬರುತ್ತೆ in between minus 1 and 0. Okay na. Here 0.1, for example 0.1 minus 0.2. This is, students, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ.